Like many other people, you may have your own painful problems with keyboards. He types 8 hours a day and gets sore fingers. He has a small desk and often bumps his mouse into the keyboard. She has small hands and is annoyed by having to move from left to right frequently. He dreams of using IJKL as arrow keys. He needs a mechanical keyboard with dedicated Mac function keys. He wants to take it to coffee shops, but it's impractical. But now, there's a keyboard to solve all these problems. Introducing Velocifire M2, a portable, customizable wireless mechanical keyboard for a superior typing experience anywhere. It's a soft, tactile mechanical keyboard that uses Altimo brown switches, making your typing faster, easier, and more comfortable. When you type on it, the keys respond with audible and tactile feedback, which makes typing as enjoyable as playing the piano. Its arc and slope fit the hands easily, which can greatly reduce typing fatigue and carpal tunnel stress, a great relief during a long day of typing. It can be your Mac mechanical keyboard. Specifically designed for Mac users, you can switch it to Mac mode and use Mac-specific function keys like using a normal MacBook. Pairing up to 3 Bluetooth devices is just a quick tab away, and switching among them is a breeze. You can also use it in wired mode when charging. Make M2 your own personalized keyboard experience. After receiving it, you can set 3 layers of key mapping, RGB, and macros for work and gaming. For example, you can create a work profile, remap F1 to open a daily used website or run an app, F2 a long password, right Alt as backspace. You can create a gaming profile, set WASD or UKL as arrows, RGB effects for different games. That's not all. If you want to try a different typing experience, you can simply swap its switches without desoldering or buying a new one. From the beginning, Velocifire M2 is designed to improve your typing experience on any device, anywhere. We hope it can be a personalized keyboard for anyone who wants to boost productivity, and we have already made it happen. Back us, and you can enjoy daily typing with it very soon. Velocifire M2. 60% size for 100% fun and productivity.